Hello, good evening. I am Leidys Pantoja, enrolled in the English course Act 2. The group number is 146. This is my vacation plan. My next vacation will be between June and July. I will be visiting Santiago de Chile. I will stay at my sister's house. I will wear winter clothes because in the winter tag I will travel it is cool. For the moment I will travel alone. I will spend about $2,000. Of course I will bring money turns. Among the twins that what can bring is very cheap. Among the activities that I will carry out are learning is the ski. I'm happy to knock in the snow. I will go with my sister family to visit in different plants place, such as Valle del Nevado, Cerro San Cristóbal, Cerro Santa Lucía, Plaza de Armas in Santiago de Chile, Valparaíso, Viña del Mar, and I will also go with my sister to main shopping center because I love to go shopping, and this is my vacation plan. Thank you very much.